Thank you guys for tuning in. Today, guys, I don't know exactly what this video is gonna be, but I decided to start this video here on the freeway. Don't worry, guys. I got my how do you call this, cup holder grabbing phone thing. That was my wife. It's funny because you guys probably don't know about this, but my wife used to work for I don't want to say the brand, but they just call it a supercar brand a while back. So for her, being my car, trying to go on the turns and things, she's just like chilling, I know she told me, before, they'll go to the track, test the cars, events, and they'll be doing crazy, things. I mean, you guys know how, cars, when a new car comes out, they take it to the track and things, a little video, commercial. So you can imagine those cars, how fast they were going and things. I guess what I'm trying to say is that, like, right now, she doesn't let me get away. Like, I'm trying to, push and everything, but, she catches up. She catches up and she just goes for it. I know if she had just a couple more horsepowers in that car, she'll probably be smoking. Honestly, dead ass. Oh yeah, by the way, we're in Mexico. We're not in the States, so just in case, because I know everybody's like, "Oh my God, don't be speeding." Relax, guys. Cars are properly modified for these type of things, even though this is literally just a straight road. But anywho's, guys, like I said, I just started recording right now. I don't know what video this is gonna be about, but hope you guys enjoy. Alright, guys, so I didn't know exactly what this video was gonna be about. We just got to the hotel, got them Starbucks protein packed. So I'm pretty sure all of you guys know it's been about 24 hours since I seen it. I actually saw it last night around this time, 2 a.m. The Widebody has been released for the Camry, so we're gonna talk a little bit about it, guys. All right, let me put this down and get to the room. All right, so as you guys know, Yofer Designs, put IG down below. It's actually having a mass production on the new Widebody for the Camry. Now, from what I see on the pictures, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be for the TRD. It might be just for the XSE and SE. Reason why I'm saying this is because, for a fact, if you guys know, actually, I just literally, like, last week I found out that to put the TRD kit on the, at least the front lip kit, you gotta take the stock lip out, and then pretty much the TRD lip kit will fit in there. So from what I see on the pictures I'll be showing you guys next, doesn't seem like it'll fit in there. You need the stock XSE bumper, not with the TRD lip. So looks like it's gonna be launched in August according to them. I know, if you guys don't know this, high reps, they work with them. They're the ones who actually built the previous kit, similar to the TRD, similar to the TRD lip kit, not the TRD Camry, the TRD lip kit, and the custom tuning one. So with this wide body, what I'm seeing on the pictures, it's not just the fenders. Like most people will think that that's the proper wide body. Proper wide body is not just the fenders; it's also the side skirts, the diffuser, and the lip kit, as well, making the car look wide and pretty much giving that connection from fenders to lip to side skirts to diffuser, and sometimes even the spoiler. So let's check that out, see how it looks, see what Yofer is coming in with this design. Because honestly, myself and a couple more been looking all over shops, and they can custom made ones fender wise, or even try to retrofit other white bodies into the cam. But I think this one looks pretty clean. So this one actually looks pretty sick. I mean, hands down. But the only thing about Joffrey Designs and then they work with high reps is they're not based in States. They're based in China. So with that being said, and I am gonna put it out there, it's the parts are cheap. I mean, so far all the designs, all the kits that have been coming out for the cars, for the new cars, at least for the Camry and the Honda Accords, they're cheap. They're pay match. Some of them are actually pay match, but what really kills it is the shipping, because the shipping is like you're paying either the same price as the part or just a little bit more, maybe half of it, depending on what you're getting, but or how big the part is too. So that's the only downside to this. But um, I mean, only this white body is coming out. I mean, you guys are gonna see it right now. Hopefully, I mean, I'm taking a hard guess, but maybe it'll be around $1,000, maybe 1,500. I haven't talked to them. I was working on the sideline for something else, but I'm guessing that's gonna be the price. Now, I know for the fenders, they're not as big, but at least for that lip kit, the diffuser that I'm seeing on the pictures is really big. So, I mean, it's probably gonna be probably about the same price on shipping. Um, I guess we'll find out once it comes out. I might be completely wrong, but it is gonna be a mass production, so it is gonna be cheaper, definitely the parts, but just the shipping I don't think it's gonna kill this. I already have to mention this because a lot of people out there have been buying these kits, and yeah, they say that shipping cost is literally either the same as the piece or half the piece. So let's go down. Let's check the photos and see what you guys think about it. Drop a comment down below if you guys think it looks good, it's too crazy, you guys gonna wait for something else, because that's usually what happens. There's a first version, and then they try to modify and make it a better version. So might be a second version after this. We'll see. So stay tuned and check the photos out, guys. See what you guys think. All right, guys. So the first thing we see here on the front end is the lip kit. The lip kit, you can see that is based on the XSE, and even, I mean, you can tell it by the headlights too. It's based on the XSE/SE. So that lip kit definitely looks aggressive. It makes the car looks wide, and like I said, it connects to the fenders, to the front fenders, the front fender wide body. Now I don't know if this one's gonna have to cut the stock fender to put this one on top. I mean, most wide bodies are like that, or else your wheel is gonna be hitting the stock fender if you just put a hole and drill on top of it, based on experience. But that lip kit definitely looks aggressive. I mean, a nice carbon fiber look would be nice, connecting to the front fender, like I said before. The front fender definitely is designed properly for this car. You can see on the rear there, it looks really, really aggressive. It's not just a simple universal fender, definitely. And you can see a little of the side skirt. Here on the next picture we're gonna see right now, the side skirt, definitely connecting to, so the front lip to the front fender. You can see how aggressive it is there, connecting to the side skirt, which makes that little wide body look, connecting to the rear one, which I love the rear one just because it connects to the rear door too as well. And we can see there a corner apron too as well. I don't think that one actually connects to the diffuser, but that diffuser definitely looks aggressive. We can see the mirrors too are different, the mirror covers and the diffuser as well. Now I'm pretty sure those are stock tips. I don't think they're modified. But you can see the spoiler there. The rear fender also, it looks aggressive. Has a like vents, this kind of like design, same thing as the front ones. So definitely something new, definitely something aggressive for the Camry. The corner apron, definitely something different, connecting there. Pretty much like a proper wide body kit. Everything matches, everything goes with the car. Fitment wise, I mean, we'll see how it looks. We'll see how this goes. But I mean, so far, I mean, that looks aggressive. Hopefully, everything looks good, and I mean the lines, everything aligned. So what I don't see in this kit is for the IS, for the Lexus. Uh, there's one actually. They have a picture of it. You see, no, actually no. I think erased that picture. It's actually one of the. He lives close where I live. He has like the big wide body kit where actually goes all the way like almost to half the door, so, and then up to the gas tank. The gas, not the gas, the gas tank. The gas door. So it's pretty much a big body kit. Even on the front, it's wider. I think this one will look definitely cleaner on the Camry, because the Camry pretty much already has a sporty look, so you don't want to go too wide. So this one's definitely a cleaner look. From what I can see, might be maybe a couple inches of wide, but it will definitely give that look. I think pay match, would definitely look good. Um, with in my case, since I have the con bumper, I wouldn't be able to get the lip kit. I'll probably just be able to get the fenders and then the side skirts to connect. So I don't know how they're gonna work this. If they're just gonna sell parts or the fully on kit. In my case, I think the fender will look really nice. The diffuser looks aggressive too. But I guess we'll see. The corner aprons definitely looks really good too. I won't lie, it connects with the rear ones. Let me know, guys, on the comment down below. Comment down below and let me know your guys' ideas. Do you guys like it? Do you guys think it's too much, or should they make wider kit? I think they could just go a little bit more wider than what it looks there. But if you're going for that clean look, I think it definitely looks good. Definitely looks good. Now here's the thing. I wonder how many of you guys, because I know I seen the comments. I want to see how many of you guys are gonna be willing to go to that shop, cut the stock fender, and slap those on. Because that's pretty much what's gonna happen. I mean, either that or drill holes on the stock fenders and put those on. So should be fun to see. Should be fun actually to see it in person. Saying that it'll be launched in August. So I guess we'll see. We'll see, guys. Stay tuned. And hope you guys enjoy this video. A little informational video for people who don't know or don't follow them. Yofer Designs, Yofer Designs. I'll be putting it down below so you guys can check their IG page out. They're always posting pictures, kits, bought kits when they're back in stock and things. You can always message them directly and see if you can get a deal maybe on them. We'll talk to them, and if I see something, or if I get a discount or something, guys, I'll let you know as well. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any comments, any questions, remember you can always comment down below or message me on my Instagram. Alright, fam. Alright, guys, and about the M3, if you guys follow me on Instagram, stay tuned for that video, guys. Alright, fam. Like always, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy out there, guys. Until next time.